Panda Times here and I am back with a very amazing video. So don't forget to drop a like on this video, subscribe to our channel on the notifications bell to get notified on every single future upload. And as you can see on the screen, we are back with the second part of the recreating the Hypixel server for free using Aternos. So today we are going to install the lobby, that is add the lobby and install some plugins, and in tomorrow's episode, not tomorrow's, in today's second episode, we are going to we are going to start the survival SMP, which we are going to start 2 SMP, so it's going to take a while for the next episode. And first of all, I really want to thank you guys for the support you showed on the last episode. We smashed over 6 likes and we smashed over 48 views or 47 views in one day. I can only get like 12 views in one day, and that's like 4 times of it. So that's really amazing. And there were many comments, but one comment said from Younglin Gamers, he wants the third part of this video very soon because his server.pro server was deleted because of a moderator or something, and now he wants to create a new server. So he asked me that if I can upload a video in about one day. So yeah, here we are with the third with the second part, and after 1 hour we are going to upload the third part of this series, which is amazing. And yeah, so today we are going to upload the lobby first of all. Second of all, we are going to install some plugins. So how to upload the lobby? So first of all, you need to download the lobby to upload the lobby. So this is the link you are going to want to go to. This link is given in the description. It's from mediafire.com. Then you go to this site and you click on download here, and it will start downloading the Hypixel main lobby.zip. So why are we taking a lobby from the Hypixel? Why are we copying the Hypixel lobby? We are copying the Hypixel lobby because I don't have a big team to go on the server and start building a big lobby, because like no one is interested in spending their time and making a big lobby. We are not expert builders. So we are just going to download the Hypixel lobby, do some changes to it, and then that's going to be our server. So now what you're going to want to do is go to worlds here. Okay, well, what was that? Why were there two of these here? Okay, let this that be. And now you have to drag and drop. And now this settings icon will start going crazy, and your world will be uploaded onto your server. So let's just wait 2 minutes for that. And yeah, okay, we don't even need to wait, it was already uploaded. So there you go. And then now when the tick mark showed up, that means that our world has been successfully uploaded to the server. So now we are going to want to install some plugins here, which the first plugin we want to install is World Edit. So what World Edit is World Edits help you use axe to build. Okay, so if you want to suppose make a big what do you call them, a big path of red wool, you have to break the blocks and then replace the blocks, and that's going to take a long time. So that is why World Edit is here. So I'll show you guys how to use World Edit in just a second. So what you have to do is click on the download button. The plugin will be downloaded on your server, and then a tick mark will show up. That means that the plugin has been successfully downloaded on your server. The next plugin you are going to want to download is this where is it, Multiverse Core plugin. So what Multiverse Core does is Multiverse Core lets you create multiple worlds on your server. So one world is our lobby, the next world is going to be our survival, the third world is going to be our Skyblock, next and next and next and so now we are going to click on this download button. Tick mark successfully downloaded. The next plugin we are going to want to download here is the clear lag plugin, because suppose my server gets popular and many people join it, like I think that's going to happen, I hope that's going to happen. So, and this server is a cracked server, so you guys can join it for free too. So wait for the end of this series to know how to download the cracked client of Minecraft to join my server for free. So you have to download this clear lag, because many people drop their items on the floor, or many people die and they just leave the server, so all their items are on the floor, and that's going to generate some lag which we don't want. So we are going to do that, so that the clear lag plugin comes in very handy. And then we are going to want to download the what is it called, yeah, the Via version plugin. So what the Via version plugin does is, suppose one person has 1.8 Minecraft and one person has 1.16 Minecraft, and both of them want to join your server, but your server is in 1.16. So how are they going to join your server? How is the 1.8 guy going to join your server? He's going to join your server because you have the Via version plugin. Via version plugin, what it does, it lets people from different versions join your server. So just hit the download button, same thing, wait for it to show you the tick mark, and yeah, the next plugin is Ultra Vanish, ULTRAVANISH. So this is like the plugin you would want to download, but you won't want to download. It's up to you. So suppose someone is hacking on your server, you're just going to go there in creative mode and they're going to see you and then they're going to leave the server, which is not what you want. You want to ban them or you want to punish them. So that is why the Ultra Vanish plugin comes in handy. You can vanish. You can even hold items in your hand and they won't see it. And so that you can ban them from hacking or just troll them. So that is why we need the Ultra Vanish plugin here. So download the Ultra Vanish plugin. It's optional if you want to, if you don't want to, because if your server is small, not many hackers are going to come in. So we will download the plugin that we need for the survival server in the next episode, because we are just going to download the things we need for the lobby in today's episode. So those are all the plugins we needed. Now go to the top and start your server. Hit start and there is going to be a queue. So what is the queue in Aternos? Many people are making Aternos or using Aternos and making thousands of servers every minute. Right now when you are watching this video, thousands of people are making a Minecraft server using Aternos. So Aternos can't keep up with like 1,000 players doing it. That is why there is a queue. And if you do this early in the morning, which I am doing this early in the morning, if you do this early in the morning, then it will give you a short queue, because the queue can go up to 2 minutes to 30 minutes. So yeah, do this early in the morning if you don't want to spend your time waiting in the queue. So after 1 minute, it will show you this screen. You have to hit confirm now, and then it will start preparing. That is, it's loading in all the things of your server, like the overworld, like the map we just loaded, all the plugins we loaded, and now it's going to take from 5 to 6 minutes to start the server. So now let's just wait until it completes this process. So guys, it made that noise and I came rushing to my PC, and as you can see our server is online. So let's join the server. So that's our logo. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? And then let's hit the join button. Okay, I hope we loaded in the lobby properly, because I'm very scared that the lobby messed up. Okay, we're in the server, and in the last episode, we set the game mode to adventure, so I cannot break any blocks. And there seemed to be a chest here. Okay, there's nothing in there. Okay, so because of the vanish command, it said opening container silently. So now we gave ourselves up in the last episode. So now if we just go to creative mode, which we can, now we can break blocks. So let's just set up a command block here. Okay. Oh, okay, I'm in vanish. So let's do slash vanish. So let me just get out of vanish because I don't want to vanish. So now let's just. So if you're wondering why this pressure plate is here, this pressure plate is here so that the in many places the spawn is very big. So the players have to walk from there to wherever they want to go, suppose like there. And that's going to take a awful lot of time. So that is why they add these speed pressure pressure plates on the server. Wow, I can't English right now. So when you work on these pressure plates, it gives you the speed effect so that you can just zoom on through this place. So now you're going to want to give yourself a command block for yourself, command block 1, and you just place it there, right click on it, do slash effect, give nearest player, which is at player, at p, and then do speed 1 second 30 true, and then just hit done. It will show you that the command is set. And now just place that block back, and let's just pretend like we are a normal player, we don't have op or anything. Yes, good server, amazing, yes. Oh, this will take me a lot of time. What does this pressure plate do? Oh, zoom! It just gave me speed for a long time at just 1 second, and then I just zoomed on through to there. But I think that's not enough, so let's do speed for 2 seconds. Breaky, right clicky, 2 seconds. 2 seconds will be good. And now let's try it. Good server, amazing. I'm going to take a long time to go to there. I am tired. Oh, what does this pressure plate do? It gave me speed. Yay, good, amazing. Great. Yes, and as you can see, it works. So now I just have to tackle some stuff like this H. I have to change that H to a P because my server is Pandexel. And then I have to change these signs from Hypixel to Pandexel. So I'll just do all that, and I'll catch you guys on the other side. Okay, so I have done these two, and I've set that to welcome to Pandexel, a amazing server. Right click the compass to play, enjoy. And then while I was doing that, it showed me clear lag. Warning, ground items will be removed in 60 seconds. And that is what we want. So players drop their items all around and it gets laggy because of these small little items. No one would expect that, but it does get laggy. And what this plugin does is after every 2 minutes or so, it removes all the ground items, which really helps out with lag. So let's break that and just do the same thing over again. So I made this H into a P and I completed the signs over there. And now there's a problem. I got to do the P again on this side because there's a H here. So I'll do that and I'll catch you guys on the other side. So I did the P on the back side. I did the P on the front side. I did those signs, and now there's a big problem again. I gotta type in more signs. Here, here. It says Hypixel Hall. I gotta change that to Pandexel Hall. And then this Pandexel Hall again. What is this? I got to write many signs. On the throne of the server's owner, which is me, I would like to close off this video here. And the next video is coming in half an hour, so ring the notifications bell, do all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.